We probably started this project, probably messaged CNG just to see if we can start purchasing C-cans. And then over conversations, seeing what they do at the shop with the oil field stuff. Just asked him if he's ever built a fire training ground, which he hadn't. He was intrigued to do it.
This was a new experience for us, considering we don't normally light our projects on fire.
Back and forth with some drawings, we came up with this design and we worked from there.
Some important elements that they needed was that it was durable and could withstand years of punishment from getting hit, soaked, and burnt. And the build is solid.
It's bomb-proof in here. We've done multiple training evolutions in here with no damage, which is, in the fire world, we generally try to break stuff, and we haven't broken anything, which is a big component. I would say that's a big check mark for CNG, that their craftsmanship is huge.
Custom designed some elements in the build that offer the ability to create scenarios that are as real as possible for training.
We wanted to incorporate an actual entryway, so we open up the C-can, and the first thing you'll see is an actual door that you can make entry into, which is a big thing for us. So it's not just using C-cans, which is not realistic for us in the fire world. We're actually having a door that we use. From there, we get to the walls where we can move around. We have a full depth wall, so we can make multiple rooms. We can make one big room in there. There's a lot of fire training grounds that this is what you get. You can't change around. So us having movable walls is a big thing for us.
The movable walls were a fun innovation that we came up with together. That's what's special about CNG. We can customize just about anything our clients need.
We have our sprinkler prop and our standpipe system. So sprinkler prop is where we can teach new recruits or practice our skills just to shut off sprinklers. The standpipe system allows us to mimic being in an apartment setting where we can hook up to a standpipe system outside the building. We also have a simulating manhole cover, which is over-exaggerated in size. And then the biggest feature is our live fire C-can, our Class A, where we do our fire dynamics burn, where we teach our new recruits and put everybody through. Generally once a year we try to get everybody through that to show that true appreciation of how much fire can be generated from a small amount of wood.
When it came to the live burn area, the design of it, we went back and forth with the fire department and figured out that if we had some bracing on the walls, they could secure their wood to the walls for creating a large fire to simulate the smoke that they needed to cover the entire structure.
There's not a lot of those in Alberta left. A lot of people are going to propane. This was a big part of our build, that we wanted to have a C-can dedicated for live fire, and showing all the people at CNG what we needed in that C-can to make it last for many years to come.
It was a very collaborative experience for us. They brought in aspects from different fire training facilities across the world, and we figured out a specific solution that worked for their needs.
Some of the departments that have come and looked at our C-can setup, our fire training ground, assumed that it was some of the bigger training ground builders within North America. CNG was a great company to deal with, still are a great company to deal with. We're hopefully going to add on to the structure. The beauty of a C-can training ground, we can continue to add on to it.
All our clients have to do is bring us their need. No two clients and no two situations are the same. So whether we're using shipping containers or modular buildings, we can come up with a solution that works for them. That makes CNG unique.
Reach out to CNG to start your project and see your design come to life.